Welcome back, everyone, to what promises to be an eye-opening and wealth-building series on investment tax credits. I'm excited to kick off a deep dive into a topic that can fundamentally shift your approach to investing and scaling your business. This series is not just for financial experts, but for anyone looking to unlock incredible opportunities that lie in understanding and utilizing investment tax credits. Yes, that's ITCs.
We'll be breaking down complex financial mechanisms into digestible, actionable insights. The ultimate goal here is to demystify the world of investment tax credits and show you how to make tax-backed securities work in your favor. Whether you're a business owner, an investor, or someone just curious about the power of leveraging tax credits for exponential growth, you'll leave this episode with a new perspective. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an investment tax credit? It's a federal tax incentive designed to encourage investment in specific sectors, particularly renewable energy, by allowing companies or investors to offset a portion of their taxes. Think of it as a financial lever, a way to reduce risk while maximizing returns. Companies like Tesla and Bloom Energy have been using this strategy for years, leveraging ITCs to scale faster, innovate more, and expand their reach in ways traditional capital simply can't match. All right, so let's break this down scientifically. At the core, an ITC gives you a dollar-for-dollar reduction in the federal income taxes you owe. You invest in a project, typically renewable energy like solar or fuel cells, and you receive a percentage of that investment back as a tax credit. For example, if you invest $100,000 in a solar energy project, and the ITC rate is 30%. That's a $30,000 credit directly against your tax bill. This isn't a deduction, this is real money. And here's where it gets really exciting. These tax credits can be sold or transferred to other entities, so even if you're a smaller business or an individual without a massive tax liability, you can still benefit by trading or selling those credits. That's where tax-backed securities, like the ones we're leading up to in this series, come into play. This is a game changer for entrepreneurs and investors alike. Imagine the ability to monetize tax credits, turning them into a tradable asset. You're no longer limited by your own tax obligations. Instead, you can participate in a much larger financial ecosystem. We're not just talking about saving money here. We're talking about creating entirely new revenue streams. And what's fascinating from a psychological standpoint is how ITCs can encourage long-term thinking. They incentivize businesses to invest in sustainable infrastructure, which often requires significant upfront capital but delivers exponential rewards over time, both financially and environmentally. By front-loading investment with the support of tax credits, you're building something that pays dividends for years, if not decades. The multiplier effect here is astounding. But the real magic happens when you pair these ITCs with tax-backed securities, something we'll cover later in the series. These are patent-pending innovations designed to capitalize on the value of those tax credits and turn them into investable, scalable assets. It's a completely new paradigm in finance. To tie it all together, investment tax credits are not just a tool to reduce taxes. They're a mechanism that, when used strategically, can help you raise capital, grow your business, and even fund new ventures in ways that would have been unimaginable a decade ago. This is about using the government's incentive structure to your advantage, turning taxes into an opportunity instead of an obligation. In the next episodes, we're going to dive deep into how to use ITCs to build wealth and structure deals, what types of businesses benefit most, and how to get started. But that's not all. We're going to explore tax-backed securities, or TCBS, which is our secret weapon for taking ITCs to the next level. If you're someone who's serious about understanding the next frontier of investment opportunities, whether you're building a startup, running an energy project, or simply looking for smarter ways to grow your wealth, this is the series for you. Subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and get ready to unlock the hidden potential of investment tax credits. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next. We'll see you in the next episode.